What's up, Dusty Crew? In this one, we're taking the dust buggy to the El Prado VW Show and Shine for 2022. And luckily enough, Spencer was able to put the final touches on the bumper, so here's the finished product. Just doing some last minute tightening because we're going to El Prado today. I'm excited. This is the first VW show we'll actually be making in a little bit. It's SoCal VW week now, and this week is El Prado. Next week is the Empi Open House and bug-in number 46, 7, something like that. So, if you're in Southern California with a classic VW, make sure you make it to these events. Alrighty, the bumper's tightened up, and now it's time to start the dust buggy and get to Prado. Oh, she's not happy. Gotta love a baja bug. Nice. Well, it's already been a bit more of a journey than we thought it would be, huh?
Yeah, this buggy running like poopy and the oil filter's beeping. So,
She's unhappy because she wanted to be driven more, I guess.
Or less, I don't know.
Or less. No, more. Well, so here we are at the lovely AutoZone, and we are going to get an oil filter because we are yet again woefully underprepared for the situation. Oh well. We're on the historic Route 66 right now. Even though the bug is being...
Oh yeah.
Pretty road though. Luckily, despite the dust buggy trying her best not to run well, she finally made it. We made it! Volkswagens! I'm so excited for this one. all the Volkswagens by the lake like that.
Get it painted again.
That's cool. Full-size cooler.
I fell into a ring of fire.
With a VW, the world truly is your oyster. What?
They brought their boat.
Look at Squidward!
Yeah.
Trying to get that. That's funny. Oh my god! Precious. She's like, run away, run away. She was too loud.
She meaning you?
Yes. Isn't there anything better than nature and Volkswagens at the same time? Shane! Okay, so we got 3 things working for us.
Ducks are over there now.
Can't hold this baby. Or better yet, can you throw it away? This is the thing I love most about Prado. Just like
Full trash cans?
smart ass. No. The fact that everywhere you look is another classic Volkswagen. And a full trash can, apparently.
These guys are playing the same exact song at different points of the song, right across from each other.
Oh man, look at this thing. If it was a Volkswagen, it still is a Volkswagen.
Try and travel with shade.
Yeah, it is a warm one today.
Keep walking around the shade. Just walk through it.
That's pretty. I like the safari window. Oh wow, look at the floorboard. That's pretty cool. Banana! Kubelwagen, I think. That's pretty cool. The things you get to see. That is cool. It's a true Volkswagen. It's got a mess of wires in it. Can't be a true Volkswagen without that, right? Well, with the sun beating down on us, Spencer and I finally let the 100-degree heat take us out, and we snapped a few pics and rolled on out so that we could get the dust buggy home before she truly started to misbehave. As always, we had a great time at Prado this year. It is always a worthwhile event to come out to. Make sure you guys check out SoCal VW Week. You may have missed it this year, but there's always next year. And if you aren't already, make sure you hit that sub button because we are about to roll over 10,000 followers and you don't want to miss it. Especially because we have the Empi Open House video and the Buggin' number 46 coming out real soon. And plus, we may or may not have DYNO'D the DUST BUGGY at Empi.